Hey everybody, this is Cracking Travis. I want y'all to check out my Jeep. Made out of wood. Got little headlights in it, and solar panel lights. My little pick-me-up truck from the old days. I think that's the Walton's era. Got them modernized headlights on them. Then this is a dozer. All scrap wood. Pulled from a dumpster. And then here's a chopper. I don't know if I can turn the wheel so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. How y'all like that? Ain't that some cool stuff right there? Wooden around, just wooden around. That's what I call awesome. Might need to put some lights on that dozer, but nobody likes to work at night, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I just wanted to give y'all a shout out to just say, hey, peace out.